Good morning, all of you. Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to in your channel Parasani Math. To our last video, we learned about the properties of rational numbers. Second is our commutative property. Now today we start our in properties. It is the last properties for rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. Third is associative property. Associative property means in commutative property we compare two rational numbers, two whole numbers and two integers number. But in associative property we compare with three numbers and we also make here bracket. Without the bracket, associative property is not possible. For like that, if I write in first a plus bracket of b plus c equal to a plus b and bracket close plus c, like that your associative property is, your statement is like that. If in your exam your question is put out like that, then you can see the question and you can in your mind it's already put out that associative property. It is the related from associative property. Now we started for whole numbers. Whole numbers we already read about which numbers is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and infinite number. It means we say that all positive numbers is starting from 0 to all positive numbers are called whole numbers. Now we started in whole numbers. First operation is A. A is addition. Addition of whole number. Addition of whole number, then we write here addition. For addition, and we know that for addition means only plus sign A plus B. In last two properties we learn about only two numbers, two whole numbers, two integers and two rational numbers. But now in your associative property, what we do? We do learn, and without 3 digit it is not possible. Now we started from, then we write here a plus bracket of b plus c equal to a plus b bracket close plus c. If you write left side here and right side, if I write like that, a plus b bracket close plus c, a out of the bracket and bracket start b plus c. Now it's very simple. Only the first what we solve left hand side and right hand side, and we check here our left hand side answer and right hand side answer is same, yes or no. If it is both are same and equal, that we can say it's under in associative property, otherwise it is not under in associative property. Now we start. I write here your example number first. In addition, and we know that whole numbers means all are positive number, then I write here 5 plus 6 bracket close plus 7 equal to 5 is the out of bracket plus 6 plus 7. Before this we learn about the BODMAS rule. If you don't know about the BODMAS rule, see here BODMAS rule. It is very important rule for mathematics. If you know this rule, then you can solve your also algebraic, numbering and mathematics or your geometry, all arts maths. BOD means here BODMAS, BODMAS. Here B means bracket. B means bracket of, either we write here power of. Then next D means division. Next M means multiplication. Next is addition. And last and final is subtraction. Then what we learn about the BODMAS? We learn in BODMAS, B means first if your question is put out like that, then in your question is bracket is also come, and division, multiplication, addition and subtraction all are come like that. I write here your example. If I write here 5 into 2 divide by 2 into 6 plus 7 minus 3, and your question, and in your examiner asks to you solve this question. And how we solve? First we solve our bracket. According to our BODMAS rule. If you don't solve according to BODMAS rule, your answers will be wrong. Then 5 into 10, we know that in our bracket in bracket any operations are there. You don't say कि only multiplication. Here is also divide, plus and minus. And how we solve? We solve first bracket. In bracket many operations. There are only 4 operations in our mathematics. Which first is addition, second subtraction, third is multiplication, and fourth is division. Now we solve first our according to Bodmas rule. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 into 6 plus 7 minus 3. We solve step by step. First step is bracket solve. Now of, here is not of, and there are no power. Power means 2 power 6, 3 power 3, 2 power 6, like that. If your power is come, then after the bracket what we solve? Power number. Now here is after the of, what is our here given? Division. Division is given, then 10 divided by 2. How many times? 5 into 6 plus 7 minus 3. Now after the division is solved, bracket solve, power of solve, division solve. Now it's multiplication. Multiplication is 5 into 6, 30. 30. Then next sign is plus 7 minus 3. After the multiplication, what we solve? What we do? Addition. Then 30 plus 7, 37 minus 3. 37 minus 3. Then next is last is subtraction. Then 37 minus 3 is 34. Why I solve this question? Because in this question is our bracket is also come. Then how we solve? First we solve our bracket. Now we start outcome in our addition. 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 7. And here is 5 out of the bracket. First we solve bracket. And 6 plus 7 is 13. 11 plus 7, 18, equal to 5 plus 13, 18. We can see here our answer, both are side, left hand side and right hand side are equal. Then we can write here A plus B, out of the bracket is C, equal to A plus bracket start B plus C. It's correct. And we write here this statement is correct. Now we write here in our whole numbers addition is under in associative property. Then we can write here it's under in associative property. It's in under in associative property. Now we start our next operation is subtraction. Next is subtraction. Subtraction is also same like that, we can check. Then next is subtraction. For subtraction, next B point. B is subtraction. Subtraction is minus, like that I write here 9 minus 3 minus 5 equal to the next is 9 minus 3 minus 5. That is our, because in our first left hand side first two numbers are in bracket and the right hand side is last two number are in bracket. Now we solve 9 minus 3. Why we solve first? Because our according to Bodmas rule first what we solve? Bracket. 9 minus 3 is 6 minus 5 equal to then 9 minus. Now your rule are coming in your what rule? Here your subtraction rule. How we solve? Here is plus 3 and minus 5. We know that if our unlike sign is come, then what we do? Always subtraction. And what sign will be put here? Which sign number is greater than 3 minus 5? It's simply subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2 and we know that minus number is greater than plus number. Minus number is greater than plus number and our sign will be put here minus. Now we solve here left hand side is 6 minus 5 is 1. Now 9 minus, and we know that what is the means of bracket? Multiplication. Then minus into minus, minus into minus, minus into minus is always plus. Then plus 2, here is 1 and here is 11. Then we can say it is not equal. Then we can write here it's and first we write our statement. Statement is here A minus B minus D is not equal to A minus B minus C. A minus B out of the bracket is minus C equal to not equal. Why it is not equal? Because our answer are not equal in left hand side and right hand side. After that we write here it's not under in associative property. Associative property. Then we can in last addition is under in associative property, and B subtraction is not a associative property. Now our third is, which is our third is multiplication. Now we check in our multiplication, it's under in associative property for whole numbers, yes, yeah, no. Then for next point number C, multiplication. For multiplication, same like that I write here. Why I draw all our numbers given, and why I write here all numbers are in positive? Because first is our we learn and we prove for whole numbers, and whole numbers mean all are positive numbers. Then next is 9 into 4 into 6 equal to, then next is first number is out of the bracket, 9 into 4 into 6. Then 9 into 4, first we solve our BODMAS rule according bracket. Then bracket is 9 into 4, 36. 9 into 4, 36 into 6 equal to 9 into 24. 9 into 24, 6 4s are 24. Then next 36 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 carry on. 6 3s are 18 or 3 21. Now here 9 4s are 36, 3 carry on. 9 2s are 18 and 3 21. Then we can say our both our left hand side and right hand side answer is equal. Then we can write here our A into B into C equal to A into bracket start B into C. It is proved. It is proved, and then we can write here it's under in associative property for whole number. Associative property for whole number. Like that our addition is in under in associative property. Then second operation is subtraction is not, and C is multiplication is yes. Now our next is last, fourth is division. Fourth is division. Next point number fourth. Point number D, division. In division same like that. 9 divided by 3 divide by, I write here 18 divided by 2 divide by 3. Then out of the bracket here 18 divided by 2 divide by 3. Then we can write here 18 divided by 2 how many times? 9 times. 9 divided by 3. And here is 18 divided by 2 by 3. Why we write here 2 by 3? Because 2 is not divided by 3. Then we can write here. Then you easily here say 3 equal to 8 into 3 by 2. Then we can write here 3 and here is 18 into 3 by 2. Then it is not possible. It is not equal. It is possible but it is not equal. Then we can write A divided by B bracket close divided by C equal to, what we write here, A divided by bracket start B divided by C. It is not equal. Then we can write here it is not under in associative property for whole numbers. Now our in whole numbers, what we learn? In whole numbers we learn addition and multiplication is under in associative property, and subtraction and division are not in associative property. Now our second point for integers. Now we start our second point is for integers. Point number C for integers. Next, second point for integers. Now we check for integers. It is associative property in which operation is proved. And integers means plus and minus numbers, positive and negative numbers. Then in integers, first operation is addition. First is addition. First is addition. In addition, same like that. I write here 6 plus 5 bracket close plus 3 equal to 6 plus bracket start 5 plus 3. Now we check here first what we solve our according to BODMAS rule. First we solve a bracket, then 6 plus 5 11 plus 3, and here is 6 plus 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3 8, 11 plus 3 14, and 6 plus 8 14. 14 and 14 both are equal. Then we can write here a plus b bracket close plus c equal to a plus bracket start b plus c bracket close. Then we can write here, if this statement is proved in our addition in integers for associative property, then we can write here it is under an associative property. It is under an associative property. Now our second is, what is our second is subtraction. For subtraction, next is subtraction. And what is the same in integers and whole numbers? In integers and whole numbers, first operation addition is also proved in whole number and also proved in integers. Then we can write here, for integers and whole number, our first operations of addition are proof for associative property. Now B point. B point for integers, subtraction. For subtraction, I write here minus 9 plus 3 minus 4 equal to, and I also write here minus, because what we do subtraction. Then next is minus 9 is the out of the bracket. Then next is minus 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. Now first we solve. What we solve? First we solve our bracket. Then 9 minus 9 and minus 3 both are have like sign. And what we do always? Always addition. And 9 plus 3 12. And both are here minus sign, and we put here minus 4. 9 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. How it's come? Here is plus 3 minus 4. Then plus number is smaller than minus number. Then what we do? Always subtraction. Then 4 minus 3 is 1, and minus sign is put bigger sign number. Now we start minus 12 minus 4 minus 16 and minus 9 minus into minus plus 1. Minus 16 equal to minus 8. It is not equal. It is not equal. Then we can write here a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. Then what our conclusion is here? Conclusion is here, for subtraction and for integers associative property is not verified, and we can write here subtraction is not under in associative property for integers. Then what is our situation? Are both are same in whole numbers and integers. Which situation? In integers is subtraction are not verified, and we can already learn and prove in our whole numbers. Subtraction are not verified and not proof. Now our next point C. Point number C. Next our point number C. What is our next point is multiplication. Multiplication. We know that here is integers, then we write here in positive numbers and also negative number, and both are number we write together. Then how we write? I write here minus 2 into minus 6 minus into minus 7 into minus 7. The next is minus 2 into minus 6 into minus 7. Minus 6 into minus 7. Then first what we do? First we solve our bracket, and in bracket first what we do? Multiplication of sign. Then minus into minus is plus, and 2 6 are 12 into minus 7, and right hand side is minus 2, minus into minus plus 7, 6 sevens are 42. Then next is 12 into minus 7 plus into minus minus, and 12 sevens are 84 equal to, next minus into plus minus 42 twos are 84. Then we can see here our both are, here is also minus 84 and here is also minus 84. Then we can say here it is also verify and under an associative property. Then we can write here A into B into C equal to A into B into C. It is verified. It's under an associative property. It's under in associative property. Now next is our next D point. Next D point is what? Our next D point? Division. Now we check for division. Our answer should be equal in left hand side, right hand side, yes, yeah, no. Then now we start our next point D. D is division. Division. For division, I write here 21 divided by 3 divide by minus sign equal to the next 21 divide by 3 divide by minus 7. Here is 21 divided by 3. How many times? 7. 7 divided by minus 7 equal to 21 divided by what we write here? 3 by minus sign. Then we can write here it is not equal. It is not equal. Then we can write it's not under in associative property. It's not under in associative property. Then in your last whole numbers and in your integers, what is situation are equal? For first situation is addition and second is multiplication. For whole numbers and integers it is verify, and subtraction and division are not verify. Then what we write here? A divided by B divided by C is not equal to A divide bracket of B divided by C. Then now our last four, now we come in our rational number. Now we come our last third point is rational number. It's very important. Now we check in our third point, rational numbers. Third is rational numbers. For rational numbers. For rational numbers, what we do? For rational numbers, first our is operation is for addition. A point is addition. For addition, same situation, but in rational numbers, what is the means of rational numbers? We write in P by Q. We write in P by Q, and where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers. It means P and Q are also positive numbers and also negative numbers. Then now we start for addition is 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3 plus 4 by 3. I write here, why I write here denominator are same? Because it is for understanding it is easy. Now we start. Then next is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 7 by 3. 7 by 3. Then next what we do in this? 3 is our denominator. How it's 3 is come? Why? Because here denominator are same. Then simply addition 2 plus 7 plus 4 by 3, and right hand side is 2 by 3 plus, now what we do? 3 and 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. Why I write here directly? Because if our denominator are same, then simply addition of numerator. Then next 2 plus 3, 2 plus 7 is 9 by 3 plus 4 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 plus 4 plus 7 is 11 by 3. Now here 9 plus 4, and we know that here denominator are also equal. Then what we do? We do here, I write this side. Then next is 3, 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equal to next right hand side 3, 2 plus 11. 9 plus 4 is 13 by 3 and 2 plus 11 is 13 by 3. Then we can say it is verified and it is under in associative property for whole numbers. Associative property for whole numbers. Next our B point. Next point number B. Next B point for subtraction. Now first we do here LCM. 2 and 4 LCM is 4. And now we check here 2 and 4. 1 and 2. 1 and 1. Then 2 2s are 4 is our LCM. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 2 multiply with 1, then 2 minus 4 divided by 4 1 time 1 multiply with 3 3 Now next minus sign, minus into minus is plus 5 by 4. Right hand side 1 by 4 minus, first what we do? Multiplication of sign, then minus into minus, minus into minus, minus into minus is always plus, then 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Now we check here 2 minus 3, then we know that here our minus number is greater than plus number, then minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4 equal to 1 by 2, minus here is 4 and 4, LCM both are equal, then 4, 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5. Now next LCM is 4. Why? Because denominator are same, then simply subtraction minus 1 plus 5 equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 plus 5, 8 by 4. 8 by 4 minus 1 plus 5 is 4 by 4, and here is LCM is again 4. LCM is again 4. LCM of 1 by 2 and 8 by 4 is LCM is 4. We already do here. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 2 multiply with 1, 2. Then 8, 4 divided by 4 is 1 time 1 into 8 is 8. Now I write here 4 divided by 4, it's 1 time equal to 2 minus 8 by 4. We know that plus number is smaller than minus number, then what we do? Subtraction, and what our sign will be put here? Minus. Then 8 minus 2 is 6 by 4 and sign will be put here minus. Then we can say here our left hand side and right hand side answer is not correct, not equal. Then what we do and what we say here? We say here a minus b bracket c is not equal to a minus bracket of b minus c. It is not equal. For rational number subtraction are not verified and under in associative property. Now our next third point. Next point number C, multiplication for rational numbers. Now simply multiply. First what we do? According to BODMAS rule, first we solve our bracket. Then minus 2, minus into plus, minus 2 into 4, 8, divide by 5 into 3, 15, into minus 7 by 2. Then now we check in right hand side, minus 2 by 5 is we write simply. First we solve our bracket. Minus into plus, minus 7 fours are 28 and 3 twos are 6. Now first what we do? Multiplication of sign, then minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus, and 8 sevens are 56 and 52. 15 into 2 is 30. Then next now we check here minus into minus plus, and 28 twos are 56 and 5 6 are 30. Then both are equal. Then we can write here also a into b bracket close into c is equal to a into bracket of b into c. That statement is correct in our multiplication for rational numbers, and we also say in rational numbers multiplication is under in associative property. Next point number D, 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 4. Then what we do? 2 by 3 first is change the sign in multiply and its reciprocal of that number. Then 4 by 3 divide by minus 2 by 7 equal to 2 by 3 is divide. Then next is 3 by 4 and sign is changed in multiply and reciprocal of number. Then 7 minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2. Then 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9, divide by minus 2 by 7 equal to 2 by 3, divide sign 3 multiply with 7 minus 21 and 4 2s are 8. Now what we do? Again here 8 by sign, 8 by 9 multiplication sign change into multiply, 7 by minus 7 by 2 equal to 2 by 3 into 8 minus 8 by 21. 8 7s are minus 56 and 9 2s are 18. It is your left hand side answer. Now we check in right hand side answer, minus 16 and by divide by 63. Then it is not equal. Then we can say for division it is not verified and it is not under in associative property. For our all our conclusion, what is our conclusion? We can say for rational numbers and integers and whole numbers, for rational numbers, integers, for integers and whole numbers, addition and multiplication are under in associative property, are under in associative property. And other two left operation which is left is subtraction and division are not under in associative property. Like that our today topic is completed. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment. If you want to ask some questions, then you write in your comment box. And thank you very much again.